back to Always Alyssa. How are you guys doing? So we just checked in to our Disney hotel and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. I have to show you like the rooms though, and no one else is in here with me, so it's gonna be super cool. Come on, I'll show you. Before I get to the super exciting and amazing part, which will probably be closer to the end, I'm gonna show you my brother's room. So you come over here, this is where my brothers are gonna be sleeping. They've like claimed their spots or whatever, you know. But it's like such a cool room, I can't even show it all. It's like, first of all, there's cute things on the walls. Those are cool lamps, and like the beds just look really nice. And something really cool, they're like super tall, so there's no way you could lose anything under them, which at most hotels you would, and it just looks super nice in general. Like, I love it. Okay, moving on. A very spacious bathroom. Oh look, here I am. And I mean, it's just like super wide. I don't know, it just looks super nice. And here's a bathroom over here. Let's see. Super nice shower. And look, there's even Disney soaps. You walk out of their room, you see this adorable artwork on the wall, 2 horses. And then this might just look like a normal living room and kitchen, right? Well, I'll show you the secret in just a second, but I'm gonna show you the kitchen first. It's pretty small, but they did a pretty good job of like making do of the space they have. Like, look, it might look super small, but it just fits perfectly. So it's a pretty cool kitchen. I actually think it'll be fun if we get to cook in it. I don't know if we will, but I like this kitchen. I like the colors. It just all looks super cool. Okay, now over here are where the secrets are. So I'll show you that right now. They're super cool. You're not gonna believe it, so just watch. Are you guys ready? It's gonna be super epic. You probably wouldn't expect it when you first just walk in. So when you're walking, you're like, oh, nice living room, right? Well, you might be like, oh, is there like a pull-out bed or something? Yes, there is, but watch this. If I can even get it open by myself. Let me see. Isn't this awesome? Oh, there we go. Isn't that like so cool? Like literally a huge bed right here just for me. And then like out of nowhere this pops up like this adorable artwork. And if you look closely, you'll see the Disney characters. Isn't it like so cool though? Who would have thought that this came from a couch in a living room? Like, isn't that so cool? But there's more. Just may look like a normal TV stand and a lamp, right? Well, look a little bit closer. And there is another bed with another cute painting over there. Like, isn't that just awesome? And let me show you guys from back here. Like, both beds fit and plenty of space to walk. Isn't that just crazy? I'm absolutely obsessed with this bed. I cannot wait to sleep here. It's gonna be awesome. And then during the daytime, I just put the bed right back. And it's a cabinet. So cool, right? How cool is that? Pretty unique, right? Also, aren't those mirrors over there like so cool? Over here, there's like the washing machines and then another bathroom. There's part of it. More cute art on the wall. Oh, there I am again. Hi. And then in here is another shower. This one's like super cool. Like, I love it so much. And then right across from the shower is a bathtub. I'm pretty sure this is like an accent wall because there's no other walls like it, so it's pretty cool. And oh look, Owen's pacifiers. How cute. And this huge mirror right here. And it just goes on. Like, this is so big. It's so cool. And then over here, probably nothing exciting. Oh, yeah, just like closet space. That's still cool. And in here is the master bedroom. Isn't it so cool? And again, the bed is lifted, which is awesome. And look at the carpet. I just noticed the intricate design. Like, it's so cool. And the chair looks pretty cool as well. It's like a bunch of succulents. It looks so cool. And those lamps. I'm obsessed with these lamps. They're so cute. They're like twigs holding up. That's so cool. But yes, here's the master bedroom. Also, look how cool that fan is. Okay, I'm gonna go out here and show you guys in just a second, but they have Disney Springs right over there as a view from our hotel room, and I think we're gonna go there later. But for now, let's go onto the balcony. see. Ooh, it's nice and warm outside. Okay, let me show you guys my view. So, first, some chairs. So, I'll start over here and I'll go slowly. Oh, by the way, look at the orange and like green colors. Isn't it so cute? Okay, anyways. Here's my view. It's like super warm outside. It feels so good. I love it so much. Oh, I just noticed there's someone on a boat out there. Let me show you. Do you guys see him? Way out there? That's so cool. I didn't even know you could have boats in there. Something else cool is I'm pretty sure that's also part of our room right here. And this window right here. Oh, by the way, look, more pink. It's so pretty. Okay, anyways, I keep getting distracted by the pretty colors of the building. Oh my gosh. Wait. Is that like a hidden Mickey? Do you see that? That could be a hidden Mickey. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. This is where our little balcony ends. Well, I guess it's not that little. It's pretty good size, but usually they'll have like a fence around it, but it's kind of cool that they don't. So like there's someone else's. I actually didn't even know there was a room there. Wait, is that part of our room? I don't even know, but it's like super breezy outside. It feels so good. Later on, oh my gosh, it smells so good outside. But anyways, later on, we're probably gonna go to Disney Springs, and I think tomorrow we might go to the park, so that'll be super fun. I'm just gonna sit in the chair for a bit and enjoy the view. So relaxing. Ooh, look at the pretty flowers on that tree. So I know we're for sure going to the park tomorrow. I don't know exactly which individual park. Like, I think we might be going to Epcot first. I'm not sure, but I've been to Disney World just a few times, and I'm so excited for this time. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, I can hardly contain myself. Comment below if you've ever been to Disney World. You know, I'm actually kind of hungry. Like, what should I eat for dinner? You know what? Comment that too. Comment what you think I should eat for dinner. There's some certain restaurants I like. You know what? I mean, I like Outback. That's a pretty good one. I'm trying to think of what other restaurants I like. I mean, I actually do like Denny's, so I'm gonna give you a little secret of what I do at Denny's. I'm sure other people do this too, like it can't only be us, but if you relate to this, you have to give a thumbs up on the video. Well, even if you don't, still give a thumbs up. I'm just kidding. Anyways, well, yes, still do give a thumbs up. But anyways, like I was saying, at Denny's, usually all the kids in my family, like me, David, Zach, Chris, Michael, and we all order off the kids menu pretty much because, I mean, the adult menu can be expensive sometimes, like really expensive, especially at like other restaurants too. So we always order off the kids menu. They actually added like a chicken Alfredo, which I really like. It's so good. So I decided getting that with like 2 extra sides of like apples or salad, corn, whatever it is. And by the way, if you go there, definitely get corn. It's so good. Anyways, so we always order off the kids menu, and even though I'm 14, I still do it some restaurants. So yeah, that's a little secret that you all now know. So yeah. But I mean, even when I eat there, I'm not like hungry afterward. I'm still pretty full, so it's not a bad thing to be ordering off the kids menu when you're 14 years old, almost 15. I was just thinking about what rides I want to go on tomorrow. I mean, I do remember some of the rides that I liked. I like the one, it's the one that goes backwards. I know the name of it. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember. I can't remember the name. I don't know why, but it's like, is it Mount Everest? That might be it. I'm not sure. But the one that like goes backwards and like the track breaks or something, that ride, that one is really fun. And then I also like, the Jungle Cruise is a good one. And there's one more I like. I can't remember. I don't know why I can't remember the name of it, but it's just one of the fast, scary roller coasters that a lot of people don't like, but I don't know. I guess I'm just a thrill seeker. I really like the tall, fast, scary roller coasters, not just the slow rides. Like, I do like Big Thunder Mountain. That's a good one. I think it's called something different from Disney World and Disneyland. In Disneyland, it's called what I just said, but in Disney World, I think it's something with Snow White. I think it's different here. Well, anyways, I'm so excited to go to the park tomorrow, and make sure you guys definitely, like I said, comment what I should eat for dinner tonight because I'm starving, and that you also comment if you've been to Disney World before. Oh, look, here's Owen. Say hi. Well, actually say bye because I'm exiting the video. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Well, see you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.